Hey kids, very good morning everyone. Welcome back all of you again. Yes, we enjoyed the last online session very much. You all have shown me the big fruit and small fruit. That's wonderful kids. You all are doing very well. And one more thing is that the students who are sending me the homework daily, they all are doing very well. Clap for them. Very nice, but still some of them are doing nothing, some of them are not coming in online session. I don't know why. If you are having any problem related to anything, so kindly contact me. Okay, so kids, today is our maths class, and what we are going to do today, we are going to revise the previous shapes that we have learnt in our previous classes. Okay, circle and square, and I have shown you so many pictures related to the circle and square, like this plate, circle, my powder puff box, circle, my bangle, circle, and I'm going to wear it. Nice. You can search the shape circle anywhere. I'm having earrings of circle shape. I'm having one fan of circle shape. Nice, no? Okay. And what else I'm having? These are the things I'm having of circle shape. And the square shape, some of the chargers are of square shape. Try to find it out at home with your mom. Okay. And yes, the dice, with the help of, we will play Ludo or snake and ladders. That is also of circle shape. Okay, sorry, square shape. Okay, dice is of square shape. Okay, and the cutouts I am preparing here for you all, these are also of square shape. And yes, the jewelry boxes जो सबके घर में होते हैं मम्मा के पास में, these are of also square shape. Okay, jewelry boxes are also of square shape, but when we open jewelry box, we found circle in it, bangles. Okay, so these are the things you can find it easily at your home to identify the circle and square shape. Okay, so herein I am having circle, and circle is going to sing one song today. Okay, and what is the song is going to sing today? I am a circle, big circle. I am a circle, big circle. I am a square, small square. I am a square, small square. I am a square. I have four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am a square. I have four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am a circle. I have no sides. I am like round. I am a square, easy to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am a square, easy to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am a circle, not easy to draw. I am like round. Okay, such a nice song, a beautiful song. So kids, now we are going to do the practice of circle and square shape in our worksheet form. Okay, so let's start the work. Hey kids, so this is the work today. Let's have the fun with shapes. Okay, so as usual, look at the worksheet so you can draw it at home. I have made very easy picture here with the related to the shape circle and square. Okay, so what we have to do in this worksheet, first of all we have to trace the circle and square, then color these two shapes, and then we have to match the following shapes with their coordinates. It means first of all हमको लाइन को ट्रेस करना है, then we have to color it inside in both the shapes. फिर उसके बाद में we have to match the shapes with their identicals. जिसका शेप सर्कल है वी आर गोइंग टू मैच विद दैट, जिसका शेप स्क्वायर है we are going to match with it. Okay, so let's start with the tracing lines and coloring. Okay, so I'm gonna trace it. You have to trace. Your mother father will draw it like this. Okay, so trace it on line, trace it. You can use any color also if you want. So this is how I have done the tracing. Okay, now I'm going to color the circle with my favorite color. Okay, and my favorite is blue. Okay, so let's color the circle. So the color in the shape circle has done. Now let's move on to the square. Now I'm going to trace the square. Okay, I will do with color. Let's take the yellow one, trace with yellow. So trace it. As I told you, the sides of the squares are equal. Okay, now I'm going to color it with my second favorite color, and that is sky blue. Okay, so let's color the square. So I have done tracing in both the shapes and coloring also. Okay, now let's find out their coordinates. First with circle. So which are the pictures related to the shape circle? Is this? Exactly, no. Yes, it is very clear. Clock, and what is this? This is button, which we'll see in the shirt. Okay, so let's match the clock and the button. Like this you have to match. Okay, now square shape is having these two pictures, window and dice. Dice आपने देखा है लूडो में होता है ना, that is called dice. Okay, so let's match with window and dice. Okay, so only this much you have to do today. Enjoy this worksheet at home. Have fun, kids. Hey kids, we have done the practice of circle and square shape with the help of this fun worksheet. Okay, try to do this at home and enjoy the shape fun activity. Okay kids, and one more homework I am going to give you that you will get today in your WhatsApp group. Okay kids, so till then enjoy your second Saturday and Sunday. Have fun with your family, but stay safe and stay at home. Bye.